Welcome back guys to the iPhone channel. Today we are going to talk about how you can backup and restore WhatsApp on iPhone with the easiest way possible. Let's get started. You might need to backup or restore your WhatsApp because you may have upgraded your old iPhone with the latest one, correct? And you may now wonder what's the easiest way for it. Well, that is iPhone WhatsApp transfer. With this powerful tool, you can easily backup or restore not just WhatsApp, but also can do the same for other social apps like Line, Kik, Viber, or WeChat. Let's not wait any further and understand how we can make use of it. First, get the iPhone WhatsApp transfer tool downloaded from its official website or from the link available in the description. Install it over your PC and launch it. Now, select the WhatsApp option and get both your iPhones connected to your PC. If in case your source and destination devices are not in correct order, simply hit the flip button to get them in correct order. Hit transfer and confirm your actions. The tool will then automatically back up data on your source iPhone. Next, you need to log into the WhatsApp on your target iPhone. Once you've done it, hit on the logged in button on the software interface. Now just in case the Find My iPhone feature is enabled over your device, you need to disable it first using the on-screen instructions. Once done, the software will now automatically restore the entire WhatsApp data on your new iPhone. Please do make sure that both of your devices remain connected until the process completes. That's it. You can now enjoy messaging your WhatsApp contacts on your new iPhone. Amazing, isn't it? So that was all for today. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone and iPad tips. We'll catch you on our next video. Keep watching.